Hey now, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Sonos. This is ticker SONO. Now, I love Sonos. I don't have any. I ended up getting the Samsung soundbar, but Sonos's chart is looking pretty good. As you can see here, the stock has been able to hold above, for the most part, its 21-day exponential period moving average. We have a little bit of a rounded bottom here, and it's just kind of flagging near its recent highs. And if I draw a little line going across, you can see how this level has acted as resistance, and it's acting as resistance again. So a little bit of a, high flag here happening above all the major moving averages. Now, I didn't buy this today because today's volume was pretty anemic, which tells me this stock could potentially continue to just consolidate sideways for a little longer. But I think this stock could be actionable with a move through $42 coming on higher than average volume. So I'm going to set an alert just below 42 bucks. Wait for it to trigger and see how it looks. I'll want to see higher than average volume coming on an intraday time frame before taking a position. So here's another stock to add to your watch list. Let's set some alerts and see how it plays out. If you found this video helpful, be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com and give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. Have a great weekend.